The 10 most annoying
Fruits! 10 most annoying fruits!
They really annoy you, don't they?
Oh, I find fruit so irritating, and it's somehow compulsory. You're a bad person if you haven't got a fruit bowl in the kitchen. 10th most annoying fruit, bananas.
Really? Why?
Oh, well, if they're useless, really, aren't they? All that skin, you can't eat it. And
so
when you
yellow.
do eat it, you feel bloated. 9. Kiwi fruit, how to eat them.
Oh, yeah.
You know, they say you should knock the top off like a boiled egg and eat it with a spoon, eh? I've tried eating them whole, and the skin
Yeah.
is just a little bit too papery.
I'd love to see you do
Peeling them, 8. Apricots. Very overrated.
Yeah, they are.
Dry, hairy, 7. Strange. Pineapples. At number 7, pineapples. It's all hide.
It
A
is.
rhinoceros skin and spikes.
Fruit's very difficult to eat, generally, isn't it?
And it gives you indigestion.
It does.
The kumquat. Moving on. 5. Star fruit. It's hollow, totally hollow.
It's horrible.
There's nothing in it, nothing at all inside the star fruit. It is an empty starfish. 4. Coconuts. You've got to crack them. And that's a pain. And then they split off into shards.
Yep.
And you can't get the flesh, as they call it, away from the nut bit.
No.
And the milk just makes you feel a bit queasy. 3. Very annoying. Tomatoes. Are they a fruit or are they a vegetable?
Well, this is true.
There are people who will debate that. On and on they go.
Let's not.
Whether it's a fruit or a vegetable, I just find them all very annoying, especially now there's so many types. Plum, beefsteak, cherry, on the vine.
Yes.
2. Apples. Vastly overrated. During the Second World War, we were told that apples were good for you and contained an awful lot of vitamins, minerals, magic ingredients, kryptonite, the whole thing. Just because we were an island fighting a war, we couldn't grow very much, but we were all right for apples. So the doctors told us to eat loads of apples.
Apple a day.
All that nonsense. I find an air gun is just as successful trying to keep the doctor away.
And the number 1 most annoying
Fruit by a distance is oranges.
Oh,
They've got to be in the house. You've got to have at least 3 or 4 of them. If you're down to 1, somebody says, if you're doing the supermarket run, we need oranges. We don't need oranges. You never need oranges. They look all right, but you try peeling them. The stuff, the acid goes under your fingernails and stays there for about 3 days, making you look ill.